Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting ADB talking to your phone. Enable developer options and USB debugging, plug in the device, and approve the computer when the prompt appears. Once done, run ADB devices to confirm a connected serial. If it shows unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reauthorize. Make sure the platform tools version is recent because command behavior can vary. You must be deliberate here. Working ADB connectivity is the foundation for the removal that follows. You now find the exact package names to avoid collateral damage. Use a DB shell PM list packages and filter with keywords to narrow results, then inspect a candidate with a DB shell PM dump package. Name so you know what it controls. Once identified, disable the package first using PM disable user 0 to test behavior without uninstalling. Observe system stability and app dependencies for a few minutes. If the phone behaves normally, you have confirmed the target and can proceed to permanent removal safely. You finish by permanently removing the bloatware for the current user. Run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name. This does not require root and is reversible by reinstalling the APK or factory resetting. After uninstalling, reboot the device to let services stabilize. If something breaks, restore the APK with a DB install or use a DB sideload from recovery, and if needed, perform a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate problems before reinstalling or resetting the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.